still lingering outside the live stream. For all of you who are still hanging around outside the live room, if you are looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, be sure to join my live stream. Be sure to join my live stream because I'm currently at our source factory for high pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil. The source factory for high pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our factory is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, Handan City, Hebei Province. The Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District.
Is there any problem with the location adjacent to our factory?
Our factory is located right next to the main highway. Right next to the main highway. Our factory enjoys a superior geographical location. Our factory is benefiting from its location. In 2025, the newly opened Feixiang West Expressway entrance is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Our factory boasts fast nationwide logistics delivery and super stable delivery times. Super stable delivery times. Our factory was established in 2011 and up to now has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream room. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream room. For those who have just joined us, please help me check if our picture is clear.
Is our picture clear?
You can't see me, right? Sister Ping, can you see me? You can't see me molting, right? Is there a problem with the sound? There is a problem.
Hello, Wang.
Everyone.
For all of you who are lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, what's the situation?
I'm watching it here.
Or you can just return it. Start over. Forget it.
Everyone.
For all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream. For all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream. For all of you who are still lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. Where the host is right now is a high-pressure rubber hose enterprise located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. It's the source factory of oil pipes. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Just stay for a bit. Today, the host will take you to have an in-depth understanding of Handan Snowplow Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. We'll take a closer look at the scale of our factory and the quality of our products. Learn about the quality of our factory and understand the scale of our factory. Handan Snowplow Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years up to now. We have been deeply cultivating this field for 15 years. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise that integrates the whole process. Our factory covers a total area of more than 100 mu, and our total construction workshop area has reached more than 100,000 square meters. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and a storage workshop. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trading enterprise that integrates the whole process. We have never had any middlemen. All products in our factory are self-produced and self-sold. Self-produced and self-sold. And our factory does not have any middlemen. For all high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our price is more suitable, and the price of our factory is more suitable. Since our factory was established, we have always been adhering to the international quality. The international quality, we all work meticulously. We never rely on low-price competition. Our factory never relies on it either, because we know that quality is what enables our factory to go further. And only stable quality can make our factory go further and allow our major clients, both domestically and overseas, to make long-term and large-scale repeat purchases. The reason why our factory has been able to operate for 15 years and why our products can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world relies on the scale of our factory, the stable quality of our factory, the stable delivery, and the stable after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. So, if you are still looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream Be sure to come to the host's live stream. The host has just started the live stream too. Today is also the first day of the live stream for all procurement issues. If you want to know about our factory, you can type them in the public chat. For those of you who are still lingering outside the live room, if you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, you can also come to the host's live room. Today, throughout the whole process, the host will take everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory. Our factory was established in 2011. And it has been 15 years now. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop. Currently, our factory not only undertakes conventional brand high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses and fittings. Our factory can customize all of these products. We can provide you with one-on-one customization services and offer you personalized customization. This greatly saves our procurement and the time and cost for business owners. It also significantly reduces the time cost for owners doing procurement. So all the family members still lingering outside the live room, if you are looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, please don't exit the live broadcast. Stay for a while, because today, I will take you on a full tour of our factory. Let's get to know our factory together and see our capabilities and the quality of our products. Our factory was established in 2011. Up to now,
We have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years.
we have been deeply engaged for 15 years. Our factory not only undertakes the production of high-pressure rubber hoses for regular brands, but also some special-shaped joints and special-shaped rubber hoses, all of which we can undertake. We can undertake all of them. Our factory not only produces high-pressure rubber hoses, but also has our own fitting factory. All the special-shaped rubber hoses and special-shaped fittings can be purchased in one stop in our factory. All the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. And stay for a while. Today, the host will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory and get to know it together. Since its establishment up to now, our factory has always been adhering to the international quality. We are meticulous in craftsmanship. In terms of quality, we never cut corners. This is also the reason why we are able to maintain long-term large volume repurchases with major domestic and international clients, which is a core bottom line for us and relies on our stable quality. I believe all the clients who have worked with us have been continuously placing large volume repeat orders with us because they recognize our factory's stable quality, which is indeed reliable. I believe all the business owners who are in procurement, whether you're in the construction machinery industry or agricultural machinery accessories industry, when you do procurement, you definitely value the product quality of a factory. Because the higher the quality of the products you purchase, all the business owners doing procurement certainly also want to purchase products with stable quality. Only when the quality is stable can we achieve long-term and large-scale repeat purchases and reach a more long-term cooperation Now, let me briefly report to you about our factory. I'll give you a brief introduction to our factory. Handon City Sinopulse Teaching Equipment Co. Limited, up to now, has been in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. It has been deeply engaged for 15 years already. Regardless, whether you are a business owner doing procurement, or if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. Today, we will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory. Our factory was established in 2011. In the early stages of its establishment, our factory covered an area of only about 10 mu. At that time, our factory had only one first phase and old workshop. Just one. At that time, our production capacity was only a few kilometers per day, not even 10,000 meters. Not even 10,000 meters. And then in 2024, our factory was fully upgraded. And at the same time, a new second phase factory was expanded. The new second phase factory was expanded. Also in the same year, the production equipment in our old first phase workshop has been completely updated and iterated. Both our old first phase workshop and the new second phase factory are fully equipped with production equipment directly supplied by the top equipment manufacturers in China. After the equipment upgrade, our quality has reached a stable level, and the quality has also become stable. Our production capacity has also tripled. Our production capacity has also increased threefold, including 2026, which is the beginning of this year after our new Phase 3 plant is put into use. Our current total land area has reached more than 100 mu. More than 100 mu. And up to now, our daily production capacity has reached 80,000 meters. The daily production capacity has reached 80,000 meters. All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders can now be accepted by our factory. In other words, up to now, our factory has completely solved the delivery date problem. And until now, when many peers are looking for OEM, our factory has already implemented independent research and development. Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop. We have our own professional R&D team. And a professional R&D team, this is also the most critical factor for us to ensure quality stability in the later stage. The most critical factor, because our factory's products, the mixed rubber used, are all self-developed by our factory. Our factory has our own mixed rubber production workshop. The production workshop for mixed rubber is also our fully automatic confidential refining center. A fully automatic confidential refining center. Our confidential refining center now has a daily output of 7 or 8 tons, around 7 tons of rubber, about 7 tons per day. Our factory has its own R&D workshop, the R&D workshop for the rubber products of our internal mixer center. Our professional quality inspection team will conduct rapid inspection on each batch and each truckload of mixed rubber. Rapid inspection only after passing the inspection can our semi-finished mixed rubber and mixed rubber be put into the production line of our high-pressure rubber hoses. On the production line, precisely because we don't rely on long-term external procurement of others' mixed rubber, our factory can independently control the stability of quality. In the mixing workshop, the products are produced after our mixed rubber is produced. If there is any deviation in the experimental performance, our R&D team
and technical personnel will make adjustments directly.
Immediately, and make adjustments directly and immediately. This also greatly reduces the quality deviation caused by the unstable performance of mixed rubber, which also timely solves the problem of unstable mixed rubber and its performance leading to quality deviation. So in our factory, this is also a major advantage. In terms of raw materials, our factory can independently develop and produce, and we have our own mixed rubber workshop, which is our own mixed rubber workshop. Up to now, R&D team has developed our own independent formula, completely on our own. The mixed rubber in our factory enables our products to be adapted to various working conditions and environments. Whether it's 150 degrees above zero or minus 50 degrees, our factory's products under the condition of 150 degrees above zero. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose will not experience aging or deformation. There will be no aging or deformation. And our factory's high-pressure rubber hose in a low-temperature environment of minus 50 degrees Celsius. In a low-temperature environment of minus 50 degrees Celsius. The rubber from our factory will not become harder. It will not become harder or crack. It will not become harder or crack. This is also our factory's a major advantage. Our factory has our own R&D team. We can control the stability of our quality in real time. And we have now mastered a mature technology. And our rubber can be adapted to various working conditions and environments. For these scenarios, recently, our factory has developed a highly wear-resistant foreign rubber. A highly wear-resistant foreign rubber. Greatly. It extends the service life under wear-resistant working conditions. The service life. So,
the products of our factory?
Now, whether in terms of working conditions or mining pipelines, whether it is withstanding high wear and tear, or in our working conditions of 150 degrees above zero or minus 50 degrees below zero, our factory's products
Have greatly improved service life.
the service life is greatly extended. This also proves that the quality of our factory, which also verifies the quality of our factory's high-pressure rubber hose. Up to now, our factory not only undertakes conventional brands of high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all special-shaped rubber hoses and fittings. Our factory can undertake them. Our factory can provide you with one-on-one customization services, so you can get customized products, because we have our own fitting workshop. We have our own fitting workshop, and whether it is a conventional fitting or various special-shaped fittings, we can all adapt to them. We can all adapt. Everyone who is still lingering outside the live stream, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Stay for a while. Be sure to come to the host's live stream and stay for a while. The host has just started the live stream and has just started broadcasting. If you are also having trouble finding high-pressure rubber hoses that meet your working condition requirements, you can come to the host's live stream. Our live streams backstage has our professional technical team, who can provide you with one-on-one technical explanations, And also, our factory's current daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has already reached 80,000 meters. All large orders or urgent orders, we can fully undertake. Our factory can undertake all of them. All
the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream room.
all the family members who are still hesitating. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream room. If you have any questions, you can type them on the public screen. Our entire live broadcast today lasts 2 hours. It is for everyone, to give you an in-depth understanding of our factory and to provide a deeper understanding of our factory. Our factory was established in 2011 and has been deeply engaged in the industry of high-pressure rubber hoses for 15 years. We have been deeply engaged for 15 years. The high-pressure rubber hoses of our factory, up to now, can meet all your needs, all scenarios, and all working conditions. Our factory can provide various models, various specifications and models of high-pressure rubber hoses. We can undertake all of them. Many business owners, when purchasing, a lot of you who are in charge of procurement, when you buy these products, often don't know much about our devices or the equipment of our products, such as the high-pressure rubber hose in our factory.
Let me put it simply. If the high-pressure rubber hose you purchase during use
frequently encounter oil leakage, air leakage, hose bursting, pressure resistance failure, and peeling 90% of the time It's all because the production equipment lacks the precision. The production equipment lacks the precision. The vulcanization is insufficient, which leads to this result. Insufficient vulcanization is the cause. Many bosses who do procurement, when doing procurement, some don't know much about the production equipment. Let me tell you. The higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable the quality of the products it will produce. The quality of production will be more stable. Nowadays, there are still many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market, 90% of which come from some small workshops. Some small workshops, they are not large in scale, and their adhesive quality cannot be guaranteed. And these small workshops, the production equipment they generally use is some old equipment without high-precision equipment. They are not equipped with high-precision computers, nor high-precision computers. This is also something that all business owners in procurement experience after sourcing these affordable high-pressure rubber hoses. Some commonly occurring issues. During usage, quality problems arise frequently. After quality issues emerge, after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. During the production process, the delivery time is repeatedly delayed, which are common problems in small workshops. These are widespread issues commonly seen in small workshops. Hendon City Sinopulse Rubber Pipe Co., Limited, has been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years. Up to now, the scale of our factory has reached a daily output of 80,000 meters, and our factory, the total land area of our factory has reached over 100 mu. Our construction workshop alone covers an area of over 100,000 square meters. And one of our irreplaceable advantages is that our factory engages in independent research and development. We do independent R&D. Our factory has our own R&D workshop, and our mixed rubber is produced by our own factory. This mixed rubber is produced by ourselves. This also greatly improves our situation during use, that if the parameters are unstable, we can make adjustments in the first time in a timely manner. This also greatly shortens our quality deviation problem. The issue of quality deviation. Let me talk about the production equipment again. For production equipment, as I just mentioned, if you buy our high-pressure rubber hoses, they frequently experience problems such as bulging, delamination, oil leakage, gas leakage, or pipe bursting during use. In 90% of cases, it is due to insufficient equipment accuracy. Hendon City Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Limited. Not only does our first phase established workshop have been updated with brand new equipment, and our second phase new plant has also been fully put into use, all directly supplied by our industry-leading equipment manufacturers. Equipment are directly supplied by top industry manufacturers. And our production equipment. The higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable our quality is. The more stable the quality, the higher pressure hose in our factory, whether your working condition is a high temperature of 150 degrees Celsius or a low temperature of -50 degrees Celsius. Our factory's products can be fully adapted and can be completely adapted. Why can our factory's products adapt to various working conditions? It mainly relies on our stable quality. Stable quality. How is the quality of our factory controlled? Let me briefly explain. Each of our processes we require. Our management requires the production personnel of each process to regularly self-inspect. And each of our teams will be given a quality inspection form. Everyone will be given a quality inspection form. All team members must conduct regular inspections on time. On time. This is also part of our labor management. Labor management. And it is also a key link to ensure stable quality. A key link, and we have a professional quality inspection team. And our professional quality inspection team is located in the production workshop. And we will target each process to conduct random inspections. Each process is subject to random inspection. This is our management for different departments. For the management of each department, this is also a key link for us to achieve stable quality. A key link. We have our professional quality inspection team to conduct quality inspections. A professional quality inspection team. Thirdly, the most important core key is our production equipment. The higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable our quality will be. Our quality will be more stable. A high-precision production equipment in the production process can ensure the stability of our quality. It will ensure the stability of our quality. All in the use process.
Precisely because the higher the precision of this equipment and our high precision production equipment, the higher its equipment precision, can ensure the pressure resistance, wear resistance, and oil resistance of each of our high-pressure rubber hoses, including aging resistance. The more stable they will be, and the more stable they will be.
Only in this way can our various properties be greatly improved, whether it is the 2-layer high-pressure rubber hose produced by our factory or the 4-layer high-pressure rubber hose of our factory.
It is all because we have our own high-precision production equipment.
To ensure that our high-pressure rubber hose can be used. With greatly improved oil resistance, corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, and wear resistance, so as to ensure that the performance of each of our high-pressure rubber hose is more stable, and the performance is more stable. For example, the inner and outer rubber coating process. In this process, the extrusion equipment used in our factory is directly from the industry's top equipment manufacturer. And this high-precision extrusion equipment can accurately control the speed, and can make our high-pressure rubber fully blend, and then extrude evenly, making our inner wall smoother. This also fundamentally solves the problem of oil and air leakage, precisely because our high-precision extruder can accurately control the speed and accurately control the temperature. It can make our rubber melt evenly and be extruded evenly extruded, fundamentally solving the problem of oil and air leakage on our inner wall and on each of our extruders. We are equipped with a high-precision diameter measuring instrument, which is an outer diameter measuring instrument, precisely because our outer diameter measuring instrument is highly precise. It can accurately control every high-pressure hose. The outer diameter of each high-pressure hose during the production process. It can real-time monitor whether it is within our range, within our tolerance range. If there is a tolerance deviation, our outer diameter detector can alarm in the first time, so that our production personnel can respond in the first time and make adjustments in a timely manner. This is also when we are producing. We not only have manual inspection, but also have our high-precision equipment, which is controlling the quality. Only the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable our quality will be, and our quality will be more stable. Some small workshops. The production equipment they use are some old production equipment, and they don't have a high-precision computer, so they can only rely on manual control. Of course, all the bosses in procurement should know that the equipment controlled by humans. The employees' tenures vary, so the quality they control Must be uneven. It must be uneven. We are saying that no matter how senior an employee is, if you rely on manual control for a long time, there will still be times when problems arise. So, the higher the accuracy of the equipment, and only by relying on precise computers to control this high-precision equipment, the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable its quality will be. The higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality will be. This is also something that all the bosses in procurement should pay attention to. It sounds the alarm bell for you. All the bosses in procurement. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must consider and investigate the factory to see its scale, and also see whether the product you purchase and the scale of its factory and its production equipment should also be taken into consideration. The higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable its quality will be regarding the quality of its high-pressure rubber hose. We must pay attention to its equipment. Check the equipment and see if it's precision. The higher the precision, the more stable the quality will be. This is more reliable than anything else. In addition, our factory for example, the steel wire weaving and steel wire winding processes in our factory. The steel wire weaving and steel wire winding processes. Whether it's a 2-layer or 1-layer steel wire hose, or a 2-layer steel wire braided high-pressure hose, or our 4-layer wrapped hose.
The knitting machines and wrapping machines we use
are all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in the industry. And each of our devices costs over 1 million yuan. Yes, over 1 million yuan. It is because we have invested significant capital that we have obtained high-precision production equipment. High-precision production equipment. Because the higher the precision of our production equipment, the more precisely we can control the speed. Only in this way can we precisely control the winding angle of our woven rubber hose and the tension of the steel wire, as well as the adjustment of the steel wire tension. It can accurately control the speed, precisely control the weaving angle of the steel wire of our high-pressure rubber hose, and its winding speed, and the sequence of its arrangement. Whether each high-pressure rubber hose is arranged in its designated position, whether there is a wire pressing in the arranged steel wires, or a wire shedding phenomenon, which is also a key step to solve its pressure bearing fundamentally. A key step, because we all know that this high-pressure rubber hose, its pressure bearing capacity depends on its steel wire. Depends on the steel wire reinforcement layer wrapped by the inner steel wire. If your high-pressure rubber hose has a thread drop or thread detachment in the weaving of its steel wire layer, or the steel wire ring has uneven wire density, including a sparse and uneven phenomenon, then during its use, its pressure-bearing force will not be too stable. Its pressure-bearing force will not be too stable. As we all know, this high-pressure rubber hose, can it withstand the specified pressure? The pressure-bearing force of each steel wire on it should be the same. If your high-pressure rubber hose has steel wire arranged unevenly, sparsely, and unevenly, or even some wire breakage, then during the smoking process, each high-pressure rubber hose will bear uneven pressure. Under such uneven condition, in your later use, the hose will burst or leak oil or gas. This is also fundamentally solving the pressure resistance problem. The problem of pressure resistance. This is our high-precision equipment, this high-precision device, which is also the most crucial key. The most crucial key. Some older production equipment. This older production equipment relies entirely on manual control. Relying entirely on manual control, it is inevitable that mistakes will occur. Some errors are bound to occur. So,
if we want to ensure the stability of our quality,
this high-precision computer is absolutely indispensable. This high-precision computer is absolutely essential. Our production equipment, each and every one of them, is a high-precision production device, equipped with a high-precision computer.
improve,
the quality will become more stable. Only in this way can our quality be stabilized. Everyone, all of you who are still hovering outside the live stream, all of you who are still hesitating, if you are also looking for high-quality hydraulic hoses, everyone, all the bosses who are in procurement, whether you are in the construction machinery industry or agricultural machinery parts, if you are looking for high-quality hydraulic hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Make sure to stay in the host's live stream for a while. Our live stream today will give you an in-depth understanding of our factory and take a closer look inside. And talk about it in the live stream. Let's see the quality of our factory and the scale of our factory. Let's take a look at the quality of our factory, how it is controlled, and how the quality is controlled. If you have any questions, you can type them in the public chat. All questions can be typed in the public chat. Everyone. All the family members still lingering outside the live stream. All the family members still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host. If you have any questions about these high-pressure rubber hoses or want to learn about our factory, you can also get in touch with us, get in touch with the host. There is a small windmill in the lower right corner of the host's live stream. You can click on the small windmill in the lower right corner. It's been an hour and 40 minutes. Let's end the stream. And after that, we'll switch to the recruitment part. Keep an
it's only been 30 minutes?
today. Our live stream today will last for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Everyone, all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream, all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. And today, for 1 hour and 40 minutes, let's take a deeper look into our factory. Our factory not only undertakes our conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, but also special-shaped rubber hoses and connectors, which our factory can all undertake. We can handle them all. For all the family members still lingering outside the live. This is the 10th one. Let's see who wrote this one. So what? Today's live stream aims to give everyone an in-depth understanding of our factory. And then today I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory to see the quality of our factory. To see the quality of our factory. To all the bosses and family members who have joined the live stream and our purchasing family members, welcome to today's live stream from Handy and Snopy Education Management Co. Ltd. Welcome to our live stream, the source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. We are the source factory. We are a large-scale entity enterprise located in the Feixiong Economic Development Zone, Handan. A real for the full 1 hour and 40 minutes. I will take you along the whole journey to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory, to have a deep understanding of our factory. No matter if you are in the construction machinery industry, or mining equipment, agricultural machinery parts, or hydraulic equipment, or automotive repair, or are a business owner in engineering and infrastructure. Or if you are looking for a long-term, reliable, and stable source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and want to visit, don't miss it. Many business owners looking for high-pressure rubber hoses, the last thing they want to deal with are middlemen or small workshops, as their products often have unstable quality delayed delivery, and no after-sales support. Sinopulse Rubber Pipe Co., Ltd. Today, we'll give you an in-depth understanding of why our factory has been able to exist for 15 years, why our products are exported to more than 60 countries worldwide,
and why numerous major clients continue to place large orders over the years.
For those who have just joined us, for those who have just entered the live stream, as you join us, please give the host a follow and give this video a like. Later, the host will take everyone to a real-life location shoot. We'll step into our factory for a real-life on-site shooting. Later, I will take everyone to gain an in-depth understanding of our qualification reports.
And provide a detailed explanation of the scale of our factory.
And see how the quality of our factory is controlled. For those of you who just joined the live stream, please follow the host, give us a like, so it's easier for you to find us later. Thank you all for staying. Next, we will officially take you to learn about Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Ltd. First, let me report to you. Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Limited. First of all, I will briefly report to you. Our factory, we will tell you clearly and practically about the strength of our factory. First of all, I will briefly report to you about our basic information. Sinopulse Rubber Roller Co. Limited is located in the... Our geographical position is advantageous. Close to the main expressway, our Feixiong West Expressway exit is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Only 1 kilometer. We deliver goods all over the country.
The delivery is fast.
The logistics cost is low, and the delivery is super stable. We deliver goods nationwide quickly, with low logistics costs, and the delivery is super stable. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We are a legitimate national high-tech enterprise, including being a specialized and innovative enterprise in Hebei Province. We are not a newly opened small factory. Our factory is not a newly opened one. And we are not... The registered capital of our factory has reached 30 million yuan. The registered capital of our factory is 30 million yuan. The total area of our factory building has reached more than 100 mu. More than 100 mu.
And our total construction workshop area has reached more than 100,000 square meters.
Our factory has our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, and storage workshop, including our own shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. While many peers are still looking for OEM processing, Sinopulse Rubber Pipe Co. Limited has already achieved the whole set of systems in 2024. Our new plant to phase 2, covering an area of over 20,000 square meters, was officially put into use. At the same time, we invested over 30 million yuan to fully upgrade all our production equipment, and the overall production capacity has directly tripled. Many bosses have reported that. During peak seasons, now our daily output has already, after upgrading our equipment and expanding our workshop, our daily output has reached 80,000. The daily output has reached... We have thoroughly solved the problem of adhesive paint for all large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders. We can undertake them all. Our factory, not only from raw materials to the production process, to the quality inspection process, and then to our final shipping area, to our shipping. Our factory is a Zhongwei large-scale factory with standardized management of the whole process. We guarantee the stability of each high-pressure rubber hose from the source. Business owners in the industrial accessories industry all know that the scale of a factory determines its production capacity. And the accuracy of our equipment determines the quality. And the credentials of a company determine its reliability. And the qualifications of a company determine its reliability. Sinopulse Rubber Co. Limited is an established factory with 15 years of experience, with 15 years of accumulation. We never rely on low price competition. What we do rely on is stable quality, reliable delivery, and consistent. Only in this way can we retain customers from all over the country and even the world. Just now, as I mentioned, the scale of our factory determines its production capacity. Currently, our factory covers an area of over 100 mu, with our factory's product capacity is 80,000 meters per day. Precisely because we have such a large scale, we can ensure the stability of the scale of the factory determines its production capacity, and the accuracy of the equipment determines its quality. As I mentioned earlier, the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable the quality will be. Therefore, the accuracy of the equipment determines its quality. The accuracy of the equipment determines its quality. Our factory's experience determines its reliability. Our factory has been deeply engaged in this industry for 15 years. Therefore, our experience with 15 years of deep cultivation in this industry, so our reliability is not a problem. Our factory's reliability is not a problem. From the establishment of our factory to now, our factory has never competed by low price involution and has never relied, because many peers know that. The lower your price drops,
The lower its quality, including its raw materials.
and its production process, it will most likely be frugal. Once its quality or raw materials decline, its quality cannot be guaranteed. Its quality cannot be. So, this quality, the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable its quality will be. Therefore, our factory never competes by low price involution. It is unswervingly so. Our quality will not decline. Therefore, our price will not engage in low price competition for involution. We will not compete for low prices. We rely on stable quality and reliable delivery time, as well as stable after-sales service. I'm telling you all something truthful. There are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now, which are from some small workshops, produced with simple equipment in small workshops. They have no quality inspection, no standards, and no after-sales service. They have no quality inspection, no standards. Handon City Sinopulse Rubber Co. Ltd., since its establishment, has always adhered to international quality standards. International quality standards, careful craftsmanship, and in all production processes, we ensure full control. This is why we can secure large export orders and undertake major domestic projects. This is also our core confidence and because we consistently adhere to international quality standards and meticulous craftsmanship in terms of production quality. We never cut corners or use substandard materials. Each of our production processes fully under control. Thank you for your attention during this time. Thank you, my dear friends, for sticking around. If you are looking for a reliable source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses that offers... Next, I will take you on an in-depth exploration of our production process and give you a glimpse of our factory. When it started production in 2011, it only had one established workshop, the Phase 1 workshop, just the one from the first phase. Our new Phase 2 plant was put into use in 2024. It became operational in 2024. As for our established Phase 1 workshop, the production equipment there is now also high precision, very high-end. And our old Phase 1 workshop is staffed by our veteran workers, who are all skilled technicians. Their production experience is extremely rich, and they can produce all the high-pressure rubber hoses of regular brands, including the wrapped ones. In mass production in our old Phase 1, we can deliver goods very quickly, and the delivery time is super reliable. It's extremely high. Next, I will focus on talking to you about the new Phase 2 plant that was put into use in 2024. which is a core workshop for our upgrading and iteration, covering an area of over 20,000 square meters. We have dust-free standardized production workshops. The overall workshop environment production conditions, including our safety standards, have all been upgraded. All safety standards have been upgraded. The most crucial part is that we have fully upgraded our production equipment. The production equipment. We have completely updated our high precision knit. The higher the precision of the equipment, the more uniform the production density, and the better the fitting degree of the hose, and the better the quality of the hose. Many bosses don't understand the importance of equipment, so let me explain it in simple terms here. If the high-pressure hose, during use, develops issues such as bulging, delamination, and the tension is more consistent. No sparseness and no subsidence. No pressure lines. What's the matter?
Our high precision braiding and winding machine
Can accurately control the speed, precisely control the speed, and evenly control the winding angle of our steel wire. The winding angle and the uniformity of the steel wire arrangement and the consistency of tension. If the steel wires are unevenly arranged with consistent tension, or unevenly arranged and consistent tension, it can ensure that during the arrangement process of our steel wires, there is no occurrence, no overlap, no sparseness, no overlap, no sparseness. This is also why our high-pressure rubber hose can withstand high pressure. And the most critical key to resist bursting. The most critical key. All the bosses in procurement should know that. The steel wire arrangement, if it is sparse and uneven, or there is a broken wire phenomenon, then during the use of this high-pressure rubber hose, it will appear not pressure resistant or burst, because each steel wire has different bearing capacity. The bearing capacity is different. For example, the phenomenon of sparseness and unevenness, the high-pressure rubber hose with loose wire can't withstand as much pressure as the one with tight wire. So these high-pressure rubber hoses, the steel wires inside it, they don't bear the same force. The steel wire that bears the greater force will not be able to withstand it. There will be a phenomenon of not pressure resistant. There will be a phenomenon of not pressure resistant. And when the time comes, there will be a pipe burst. This is also our high-precision production equipment. Such high-precision production equipment the most crucial factor for this high-pressure hose to withstand high pressure is the core key to withstanding high pressure. There are some inferior high-pressure hoses on the market now, whose steel wires are sparse and uneven, and the hose will burst after a few days of use. In our factory, this situation will never occur, because our production equipment has relatively high precision. Each of our production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. A high-precision computer. The fourth step is our outer wrapping process. The outer wrapping process, after the inner wrapping is completed. We'll move on to high-precision steel wire winding. Steel wire winding. The fourth step is our outer wrapping. The outer wrapping process. This double-layer rubber outer wrapping process can closely adhere to our steel wire layer, and its production equipment is the same as the production equipment for our inner layer, and they are all directly shipped from top equipment manufacturers. Our high-precision extrusion equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer that can precisely control the speed and temperature, enabling our rubber to melt evenly and being extruded evenly. This allows our rubber and steel wire layer to fully integrate and bond together sufficiently, resulting in a very high adhesion level. This way, there won't be any delamination or bulging. Thus, issues like delamination, blistering, and cracking won't occur. This makes the overall structure denser and improves its density, which is great. This makes the overall structure compact and stable, really solid and stable. After we wrap the exterior layer, the next step is our vulcanization process. The vulcanization process. Our vulcanization.
What should we do?
Let's not do it yet.
There are no issues for now. We can hold off on that. All the factory managers who do procurement know that. The high-temperature vulcanization process. The high-temperature vulcanization process is the most crucial step for the durability of our rubber hoses. The most critical step. Our factory adopts a standardized constant temperature vulcanization process, which can precisely control the temperature and time. to ensure the product quality is consistent and that our rubber and steel wire can be completely integrated without any separation. This improves the hose's resistance to wear, corrosion, stretching, and aging, making our product's lifespan far longer than that of ordinary workshops. Ordinary workshops products. This also shows that our high-precision vulcanization equipment is the core key to ensuring stable quality. The core key, it can precisely control the speed and then time accurately. It can accurately control the high-pressure rubber hose in the production equipment. Its anti-aging property, oil resistance, abrasion resistance, and the resistance to cracking, so as to improve the performance of our products, greatly enhancing the properties of our high-pressure rubber hoses, making their service life far longer than those of small workshops products. It is because our vulcanization equipment can precisely control time and temperature that our high-pressure rubber hoses
can ensure the full bonding between the outer rubber and the steel wires,
resulting in higher adhesion and better bonding strength.
and greatly preventing the occurrence of delamination and bulging, because it can precisely control time and temperature. It can accurately ensure that every high-pressure rubber hose has higher adhesion. This can greatly improve the oil resistance, corrosion resistance, and anti-aging properties of our high-pressure rubber hose during use, as well as its resistance to peeling and cracking. These properties have been greatly improved so that the service life of our high-pressure rubber hose can be longer. And the service life is longer. This is also our vulcanization and shaping process, which is the most critical step for our high-pressure rubber hose. The most essential step. After our high-pressure rubber hose is vulcanized, it will enter the finished product packaging process. When each batch of semi-finished products reaches our finished product packaging process, our professional quality inspection team will conduct a visual spot check as soon as possible. The visual spot check is passed. It will then go to our pressure resistance test process. The pressure resistance test process, each of our high-pressure hoses, can be 100% quality inspected in our factory, achieving 100% inspection rate. Each high-pressure hose undergoes a pressure resistance test at twice the working pressure of each high-pressure hose, and it maintains this pressure for 1 minute, lasting for 1 minute. Only when the test result, after passing the test, can we put it into use. Only then will it flow into the next process. Yes, for those with flaws, the defective products.
We classify them as second grade.
All of them are marked as second grade. Each of our high-pressure hoses, the entire workshop, has more than 10 production equipment and production processes. We have standards for every step and inspections at every level. Our operation is standardized throughout the whole process. We don't rely on manual management. We don't rely on manual touch. What we rely on is a high-precision production equipment and high-precision production equipment. We rely on the standards of our factory and standardized management. Only in this way can we ensure the quality consistency of each high-pressure hose and achieve uniform quality and stable performance. This is also the core key to ensuring the stability of our quality, because our factory's management and standardized operations Many of us who work in engineering equipment or large-scale machinery, such as mining machinery, use high-pressure rubber hoses in their equipment. Long-term high-pressure operation puts extremely high demands on the hoses. Why do many large enterprises consistently choose our high-pressure rubber hoses? It's because the hoses from our factory have superior performance and can withstand long-term high-pressure work without bursting, leaking oil, or leaking gas. This ensures that all the purchasing managers can use our products with more peace of mind, which relies on our stable quality. It's all about the consistent quality from our factory. How long has it been now? Okay, that's all for today. In another 20 minutes, I'm going to sign off. There are still over 20 minutes left before I sign off. To all the family members still lingering outside the live room,
everyone's still hesitating outside the live room.
if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, or something else that requires stable quality and on-time delivery and supports customization, then this reliable source factory of high-pressure rubber hose customization and is seeking long-term cooperation with a factory. Be sure to contact the host. You can click the small windmill in the lower right corner of the host. We do not live stream on Saturdays and Sundays, but on Mondays, we just started live streaming today. Dean doesn't recommend our stream to anyone anymore. And it's been almost an hour and a half. They don't recommend it to anyone, right?
In our factory.
The difference between a core big factory and a small workshop is that the gap between our factory and the workshop lies in that we have the core qualifications. This is also our confidence. And the confidence of our factory. Our factory has an independent R&D workshop. We have a professional quality inspection laboratory.
And our exclusive quality inspection team.
Besides, our factory is equipped with full process testing equipment. For high-pressure rubber hoses, from raw materials to finished products, we have full process integrated experimental equipment. Whether it is from the raw materials or the finished product, we have the whole process integrated production equipment, which enables real-time testing and can be tested in real time. The products produced by our factory, our experimental standards, and our experimental data have far exceeded the international standards and have far exceeded our international standards. Previously, when I brought everyone to the actual site for real shooting, I showed you a pulse experiment in our factory. The pulse experiment. At that time, we were making a single-layer braided rubber hose. A single-layer braided one. Or single-layer braided high-pressure rubber hose. Meets the standard after 200,000 pulse cycles. When we did the live broadcast, it had already reached more than 500,000 times. It has exceeded 500,000 times. So, the quality of our factory has already far exceeded the international standard. Far beyond it, which is SNOBU, the core bottom line that we have adhered to for 15 years. The core bottom line. We have always been upholding international quality, meticulous craftsmanship, and exquisite manufacturing. We never rely on cutting corners. We never do that. Now,
let me talk about our core qualifications.
The core qualifications of our factory. First, I'll show you that our factory is a specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise in Hebei province. This is our factory. We received this certificate back in 2023. This is also where our factory differs from small workshops. The gap between small workshops and us. Our factory is not a newly opened one. It's a specialized and innovative SME in Hebei. With all the credentials. Second, We are a high-tech enterprise with a certificate to prove it. This is not a certificate that any small workshop can get. It's not something any small workshop can just get. All the qualifications that the host has currently can be checked online. They can all be verified online. The reason why our factory can serve major clients both domestically and internationally is due to these core qualifications that we possess. Thirdly, we have an ISO 9001 quality certification system. An ISO 9001 quality certification system. Those in the industry should know that this ISO 9001 quality system the reason why our factory can hold this certificate for a long time is that we rely on standardized management and standardized production. Standardized production, because our certificate, ISO 9001 Quality Certification Certificate, is something that our factory conducts an annual on-site review of our certificates. Every year, our certificates undergo a review. And the ISO 9001 quality system auditors visit our factory every year to assess our production management and standardized production processes through an audit. If the audit is passed, we will retain this certificate. We don't pass the audit. If our production is not controlled and produced according to the 9001 standard, the certificate will be revoked at any time. The reason why we can hold on to this certificate for a long time is through our standardized management, and standardized production. This is also the gap between small workshops and our large factories. This is also the gap between small workshops and us. And the last one is our coal mine safety certification. This safety standard certificate for mining products, our factory, has obtained the coal mine safety certification for all specifications and models, and has obtained the safety sign certificate for mining products. With this certificate, our factory's products, with this certificate, can prove that our factory meets the standards and can be used for our mining products. For our mining products, our factory not only has high-pressure rubber hoses on one floor, which have obtained this mining certification certificate, but also our 2-layer and 4-layer ones of various models have already obtained the MTW certification certificate, which is also a core factory of ours, distinguishing us from small workshops. This is also the confidence of our core factory and what the host has in hand. All the certificates that can be checked online. This is also why we can connect with large factories both domestically and internationally, and the core key to long-term cooperation. The most crucial factor, we can connect to exports and large-scale engineering projects. Be Chauncey selected by large domestic enterprises, relying on our substantial qualifications. And these practical qualifications. Many small factories, without any qualifications, have substandard products and equipment that malfunctions after only a few days of use, with no after-sales support. And as for our Sinop, all products are well documented, reasonable, compliant with standards, and quality guaranteed, with reliable quality, whether it's domestic projects or foreign trade exports. We can fully meet the standards. Our factory's products, including our qualifications, can fully meet the standards.
All products in our factory
are well documented, traceable, and guaranteed in quality, with quality assurance, regardless of whether it is a domestic project or a large foreign customer. We can fully meet the standards. Our factory's products, qualifications, can all meet the standards. This is also a core qualification of our factory. A core qualification of our factory. 我们斯诺普不仅仅做国内市场， 我们工厂现在已经有20多年的出口经验了。我们工厂更是一家专业出口的大型外贸企业。我们工厂拥有全套的出口资质，
我们常年参加国内外的一些大型展会，这些大型展会，我们工厂在外贸领域已经深耕20多年了。
截至目前，我们工厂的产品已经出口到全球60多个国家。国内合作的客户，我们不仅得到了海外客户的认可，我们邯郸市斯诺普交管的产品不仅得到了国外客户的认可，也得到了国内客户的认可。我们国内合作的客户更是遍布全国，无论是矿山还是钢厂，或者是工程机械、工程机械、农机设备，我们无数的经销商，包括工程老板，常年批量复购。我们的口碑都是实打实做出来的。最后，我给大家总结一下，我们邯郸市斯诺普交管有限公司的4大不可替代的优势。第一点，我们的工厂是全流程一体化的工贸一体大厂，我们工厂没有任何中间商，我们都是自产自销的，同等品质的这个高压交管，我们的价格更实在，我们工厂的价格更实在。第二点，我们工厂的设备，我们的设备精度高，交期超级稳定，产能充足。我们的生产设备精度高，产能稳定，这也是我们能够对接大订单，
以及大订单及单一客户大订单的最核心关键。
我们目前的日产量已达到了8万米，这也是我们能够对接大型客户，能够承接一些急单、大单的最核心的底气。第三，就是我们的品质管控严格，标准高。我们这20多道生产工序，加上我们多重质检，包括我们目前秉承的都是一些国际品质标准。我们性能稳定，我们的这个产品，我们的这个高压交管产品经久耐用。截止到现在，我们工厂的这个高压交管是可以完全适配到您的所有需求的，无论是零上150度的工况也好，还是在零下50度的工况也好，我们工厂的这个高压交管不会出现老化，包括脱皮、开裂的这些现象。这也是我们工厂从建厂到现在一直秉承着国内的标准、国外的标准、国内的价格，这也实时认证了我们工厂品质严格、标准高，所有国内外的大客户能够长期大量复购，靠的就是我们稳定的品质，靠的就是咱们工厂稳定的品质。第四，我们的售后稳定且服务全面，我们工厂有自己专业的售后团队、专业的销售团队和技术团队。我们是工厂，我们是正规的工厂，我们的产品是支持2年质保的，并且所有的质量问题，咱们工厂都是全权负责的，而且我们工厂是支持您的按需定制，免费拿样，1对1报价，也可以给您做到1对1的技术讲解，可以适配到您的所有工况的需求，Many business owners, many who work in procurement or engineering fear the most is things going wrong. Trust that by choosing Sinopulse, you're opting for reliability, stability, peace of mind, and worry-free experience. Trust that by choosing Sinopulse is the most reliable, and you've made the best choice.
All of you who are still lingering outside the live room, all of you who are still hesitating, or anyone looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses,
You can follow the host's live room.
follow the host's live room. And later the host will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory and show you around. There are only the last 10 minutes left, and the host will end the live stream. 10 more minutes and the host will sign off. Everyone. Today, we've taken an in-depth look at our factory's production scale and manufacturing process, including explanations of the production process, gaining deep insights into our factory. We also explored how each stage maintains quality control. We also took you on an in-depth tour of our quality management, the scale of our plant, the production volume, and the quality of our products. We haven't exaggerated anything throughout this tour. This is Sinopulse Rubber and Plastic Co. Ltd. With 20 years of experience, we have the strength to prove it. Our factory never competes by lowering prices. We only focus on stable quality, reliable delivery times, and excellent after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. Our factory has specialized in producing high-pressure rubber hoses for 15 years.
We aim to provide all business owners, whether in procurement or engineering, with reliable, stable, and worry-free, high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses that cause no trouble.
We rely on stable quality, delivery time, and after-sales service. We believe that by choosing Sinuop, you are choosing stability, reliability, and peace of mind. Peace of mind. Today, throughout this entire presentation, we aim to provide you with an in-depth understanding of our factory, allowing you to gain deep insights into our operations. To everyone who has stayed tuned, our factory offers free sample shipping, free of charge, sending samples for free, providing free sample testing. If you have any questions, you can leave a message for the host. For any technical questions, or if you want to know about the factory, the host will contact everyone after the live stream. We'll contact everyone. Everyone who wants to know about our factory. Who wants samples? Our factory provides free sample delivery and free sample book delivery. Free sample books are mailed to you. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years. All after the second phase of our new factory plant is put into use. Including this year, the third phase of the new factory plant has also been put into use. Our third phase, up to now, covers an area of over 100 mu, and our building workshop covers an area of over 100,000 square meters. It covers an area of over 100,000 square meters. To all the bosses in procurement, up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
Our daily output has reached 80,000 meters.
All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders. Our factory can handle them all. We can take all of them to all the bosses in procurement. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and get in touch with the host. The host will contact everyone after the live stream.
We have 5 minutes left.
In the last 5 minutes, I'm going to end the live stream. I'm about to sign off in 5 minutes. If you have any questions about the factory, or anything else, what's up? You can take it. If you have any questions, dear folks, you can leave a message for me. You can leave me a message. You can type them on the public screen, or you can leave me a message.
No matter it's about product issues,
Or you want to know about our factory. Or you want to come to our factory for a visit. You can contact me. You can contact me. 3 minutes left. I'm about to end this live stream. 3 minutes left. I'm about to end this live stream. If you haven't followed me yet, please hit the follow button. For For those who haven't followed me yet, please do so. If you want to learn more about Handon Snow Peaks Educational Equipment Co. Limited, feel free to send me a message. You can send me a message. That's all for today's live broadcast. We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. If you are looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you are welcome to join my live stream. Follow me, leave a message for me, and after the live stream, I will get back to you. I am now at our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. The source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the industry of high-pressure rubber hoses for 15 years. For 15 years, our factory never competes by undercutting prices or engaging in vicious internal competition. What we rely on is our stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Our factory, up to now, has reached a daily output of 80,000 meters, and we can undertake all large orders and customized orders. If you are looking for a high-quality, on-time, customizable, and long-term reliable source factory for high-pressure rubber hoses, please follow my live stream. I will see you at the same time tomorrow, where I will show you around our factory in detail and let you know more about its scale, production quality, and how we ensure the quality. Let's see how we do it. In today's live stream, we're about to end the live broadcast. Our live stream time for today is almost up. So to all the family members still lingering outside the live room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to contact the host. Be sure to contact the host. Is the time up? There are still 2 minutes left. During the last 2 minutes of today's live broadcast, let me briefly update you all on our factory. Our factory is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, Handon City, Hebei Province. The Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District. Our factory benefits from a superior geographical location. It is right next to the main expressway. Right next to the main expressway. The newly opened Feixiang West Expressway exit in 2025 is only 1 kilometer away from our factory. Just 1 kilometer. We ensure fast nationwide logistics delivery. Super reliable delivery time. Super reliable delivery time. Our factory currently covers a total area of over 100 mu. We have the old workshop from Phase 1 and the new plant of Phase 2 in 2026. The industrial hall newly built at the beginning of 2026. The industrial hall factory have already achieved mass production by now. We not only undertake conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, but also have achieved independent research and development and independent production, all on our own. All high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. We support one-on-one customization, and our factory supports one-on-one customization. All your technical issues, or if you want to learn about our factory has our own technical team, which provides one-on-one technical support. We offer one-on-one technical guidance. Additionally, our factory has our own professional sales team who can provide you with one-on-one quotes, offer one-on-one quotes, and we support free sample shipping and free sample books as well. Both samples and sample books are free of charge. Everyone who wants to learn about our factory and wants to know about us must contact the host. Contact the host. Our factory covers a total construction area of over 100,000 square meters. And we have independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and storage workshop. We also have our own whole process shipping area. Our factory is a large-scale integrated industry and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. An integrated industry and trade enterprise. We don't have any middlemen. No middlemen at all. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. We are all self-produced and self-sold. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our factory's price is more reasonable. Our factory's price is more reasonable. We believe that choosing Sinuo means choosing reliability, stability, peace of mind, and reassurance. Our factory, from its establishment to now, has focused on the production of high-pressure rubber hoses, specializing in the manufacturing of high-pressure rubber hoses. For 15 years, we aim to provide all engineering bosses and purchasing bosses with more reliable, stable, worry-free, and hassle-free high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. We believe that by choosing Sinuop, you are choosing stability, peace of mind, and reassurance. We believe that by choosing Sinuop, you are choosing reliability, stability, peace of mind, and reassurance. That's the end of today's live broadcast. For those who want to learn more about our factory, our product quality, or would like to visit our factory for an on-site inspection, you can contact the host. You can also leave a message for the host. And today's live stream is coming to an end. See you at the same time tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the same time. If you have any questions, you can contact the host or leave a message for the host. And today's live stream is coming to an end. See you tomorrow at the same time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.